my name is Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and this video is about the importance of the microbiome to skin health. About 85% of the population from 12 to 25 is affected by acne, which makes this the 8th most common disease affecting that age group. It's thought that this is caused by pollutants and the Western diet, because these things affect the quality of the microbiome both in the gut and on the skin. There is an axis of the gut and the brain and the skin that helps to optimize the skin health, the microbiome, and the nervous system, bringing about the best environment for a healthy skin. The gut microbiome is made up of bacteria and viruses and fungus and other microorganisms. And the skin also has that same variety of organisms that make up its microbiome. And what that population does for the skin is it retains moisture, it protects it from pollutants and other irritants, and it keeps the skin healthy and protective. One way you can optimize your gut microbiome and your skin microbiome is by optimizing your diet so that it is rich in microbe supporting nutrients like probiotic rich foods like kombucha and sauerkraut, fermented vegetables, these sorts of things, as well as healthy proteins, fats, and good quality organic fruits and vegetables. Also, to optimize your microbiome, it's important to stay away from foods that feed unhealthy microbes like sugar, alcohol, and carbohydrates like gluten and other grains that can imbalance the healthy microbes. In addition to dietary changes, I recommend some other tools for optimizing your skin health. One is a good broad spectrum probiotic that has both the lactobacillus bacteria in it, but also the bifidobacteria, and then also the Saccharomyces boulardii, so that you have an organism that can help scavenge the irritants that can contribute to poor skin health. Also, there are a lot of essential oils that are great for optimizing skin health. Some of these are the tea tree oil that can be mixed in a little bit of coconut oil or olive oil or put in your skincare products that can help with any kind of skin imbalance. And then helichrysum is also a great restorative essential oil that can actually get rid of scar tissue from any kind of acne issues, as well as improve the microbiome of the skin. And frankincense is another fabulous essential oil to optimize skin health. Also, you might consider a hair tissue mineral analysis if you're dealing with chronic skin issues, because that can give us insight into the quality of your stress response hormones, which are important to have in balance in order to have good skin health. So just simple things like improving your sleep and improving your adrenal response will improve your skin health. So the hair analysis can give you insight into what kind of work to do there, or how long to do that work. So we would love to help you with optimizing your skin health. That is something that you absolutely can do. So if you need support, reach out to us at optimalhealthnetwork.com, and our phone number is 608-242-0200. And thank you for watching this video.